Hello friends, so welcome to our first video regarding Eclipse and Maven. We are going to create our first project Hello World in Maven, and also we are going to install Eclipse. To install Eclipse, we will type Eclipse on Google and then search for it and go to download button, and then I have to click on download and then download for 64-bit, and it will start downloading. We can see here. Yes, it has started downloading, but I will cancel it since I already have Eclipse installed in our machine. So going on Eclipse, and I will create our first project by going on File, then New, and then Maven Project, and then I will click on Next, and I will select archetype as Quick Start since it is our first project. So I will click on Next, and I will give group ID as com.user.tutorials and then artifact ID as hello world. So I will click on finish and it will create a project for us. So I will click here, hello world, and then source main Java, and then it has already created a class file for us, app.java, which is the main class. It is already written system.out.println and hello world. We can also write our own system.out.hello UJR. To run it, I will click on run and run as Java application, and it will select our class file and run. So I have got the result hello UJR, and if I write exclamation mark here, it will also print that. I am showing this because as we will change, it will be reflected on the console. So our future videos will be on a mini project regarding Maven and Eclipse. So please stay tuned for more videos, and please like, share and subscribe so that we get motivation. Thank you.
Subscribe now.